What's up, YouTube? Jeremy Martin 72 here, and we are going to do an unboxing of my latest Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch with LTE and Wi-Fi. This is the international model. The colors are raised here, and the letters are raised as well. The boxing is very nice. These are the stats. 32 gigabytes memory. I hear the battery is most excellent and the camera is pretty decent from what I've been seeing. LTE 4G. Very good processor. I'm not too big on the amount of RAM, but I'm not going to be doing anything that's going to tax it that bad. I also hear this is very kid friendly, and that right out of the box it comes to where you can switch it right over to a children's tablet, which is nice because the price on this was about $159, which makes it a really good entry level tablet. And let's go ahead and open this up. It feels nice. Just bear with me here. I'm single-handed. Alright. Oh no, it fell in. Get out of there. There you go. All right. It reminds me of my Google Asus Nexus 7. Power button, volume rocker. Back of it's nice, and it looks like it does pick up fingerprints, but that's all right. I'm putting a case on it. That should be for expandable memory and SIM card. Bottom has micro USB, and I'm guessing these are stereo bottom speakers, and microphone has a small hole, and 1/8 of an inch audio jack for headphones. All right, and this is a international plug here. So when it got shipped to me, they gave me this too. So it's an adapter that I'll put on it. I haven't even messed with it yet. USB standard to micro USB cord for charging and transfer. All your paperwork and stuff, as well as a SIM card tool. And that's it. It's looking nice. All right, my brothers and sisters. I'm going to be doing some more videos on this soon, and I want y'all to be safe and Google on.